you want to create a 2x2 left cross cable, it means that you want these first 2 stitches to be in front and those second 2 behind. You can either do it with or without a cable needle. I'll show you with the cable needle first of all. So you lift those first 2 stitches onto a cable needle, hold them at the front of your work. This is all knit stitches, so we're going to knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then you come back to those 2 that were held in the front and you knit those 2, 1 and 2, and that will create a 2x2 left cross. Now to do without a cable needle, you want the first 2 in front and the second 2 behind. So I'm going to go into the back of the second 2 stitches, so stitches 3 and 4. I'm going to put my finger at the base of stitches 1 and 2, pushing it against the right needle as I slip all 4 stitches off so they're held there. Then the 2 ones that are trapped in the front, I'll move back over to the left needle. Then I move the next 2 back over, and finally I'll go ahead and knit all 4 stitches like so.